One in 3 children is considered overweight or obese. With a lack of fresh, healthy foods and an environment that promotes physical activity, obese children are likely to become obese adults and suffer from chronic diseases. Childhood obesity costs nearly $3 billion in healthcare each year. Sadly, today's children are on track to have a shorter life expectancy than their parents. As childhood obesity plagues our nation, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Kansas City is committed to making a difference in the lives of our children. We've committed $7 million over 5 years to address and prevent this epidemic, targeting unique opportunities in the community to address obesity and create a real impact. With partners like the Kansas City Chiefs, the YMCA of Greater Kansas City, the Chamber of Commerce, and the local KC community, we will make a difference.